Alright guys, I'm in my 2012 ACURA TL. This is the all-wheel drive model. The technology package has everything. It's fully loaded, but it has a bunch of sensors that want to go ahead and just light up. So this car is very sensitive and it just lights come up like crazy. See here, I got a Christmas tree going on. So first, I have a bunch of lights. The first ones I'm gonna fix. Tpms sensor. If I hit this button right here on my steering wheel, little eye with the circle, it will go ahead and scroll down your menu. And if you can see here, this vehicle tells me exactly what's going on. It's pretty cool. And it's telling me TPMS error. The right passenger front wheel PSI is low or high. It's just not on the right PSI at the moment. So I went ahead and filled up I checked the tire pressure. Yeah, it was high. So I lowered it. I've been driving on it for about a week. Hasn't went away. At this moment, it is a sensor. The sensor needs to be replaced, and it is bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it on eBay, the $35 one, and then I will take it to my tire shop and install it for $10. All right, guys. So that will delete my TPMS code light. It will remove it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.